Guys, it's Jax. It's adventure day. The girls and I are off. We got a loaded up wagon and we're going on a huge adventure. Come along with us and have some fun. Let's look at this. This one's a dandelion, right? Yeah. Right? We can tell by its leaves. Those are dandelion leaves right there. Yeah. Right? This one is different, isn't it? Kind of looks like a dandelion, but it's not. Yeah, sometimes things in nature look the same, but they're different if you look really closely. What'd you find? Oh, little purple flowers. Oh, those might be violets. Let's not pick anymore. Let's save them for the bees. They're beautiful, aren't they? I think they might be violets. We're going to look it up when we get home, okay? So this right here used to be a whole field of cattails. It's all been cut down because there's new invasive grass that's coming in here. Reeds, I'm not sure what it's called. But you can see we have new shoots coming up here. And normally if this is just cattails, I'd be into eating this, but I don't know if these are cattail shoots or if they're that invasive grass shoot, and I don't know if that invasive grass root is edible or not, so I'm just gonna leave them.
Look. I'm king.
It's a perfect chair. Oh, mushrooms. Look, they're beautiful. That's a cattail. That's an old cattail. See how fluffy it is? It makes great tinder for a fire. If you were really cold in the winter, you could stuff it in your clothes to keep warm. And we can eat it. We can eat the bottom part that's under the water. And see here? This is probably a baby cattail. And when it gets a little bit bigger, we can pull that green part out and eat the bottom of it. And it tastes really, really good.
This cat food.
That's it.
But
cool?
I'm thinking about...
Go for it. You're big and strong. You can do it.
So I'll help you a little bit. I'm helping you.
Good teamwork, ladies.
Is that a pipe?
That is a streamlight flashlight. Looks like it's a little broken. Let's see if it works. Nope. All right, we'll take it home and get some new batteries for it. Cool. Hang on. Oh, more purple flowers. Those ones I think are definitely violets. We're definitely going to check it out. I brought our guidebook when we stop for our lunch. We'll look it up, okay? Are you stuck in there? You know what it is? Do you know what's going to grow on that?
What?
Berries are going to grow on that.
Then we can eat them.
Yeah.
It's still not poisonous.
There's some wild raspberries a little bit later in the summer.
Let's follow that trail.
Okay, let's follow that trail.
Hey, Abby, we'll follow the next trail.
Charlotte, you doing okay? All right. Good job. These ones look even different than the other ones, don't they?
The bluebells.
You think so?
Yeah, the bluebell.
Well, we will look it up. Silly goose. Oh, I don't think I can get on video. Beautiful red cardinal up there. It's just above me hiding in the leaves. Birch bark. Good finding, Charlotte. That's awesome. Birch bark. Cool. What are we going to do with it?
And we can make this for chimichanga.
It kind of looks like chocolate, doesn't it?
It's a squirrel.
It's a squirrel. It looks like a big gray squirrel. Whoa, did you see that jump from tree to tree? See these rocks? Do they remind you of anything? Have we seen rocks like this before? Sure we have. Where do we see rocks that look like this before?
Train station.
On the train tracks, right. Do you know why there's a whole bunch of these rocks on here? Because this used to be a railway line. Long time ago, this was railway tracks and trains used to drive on here. Pretty cool? The tracks are gone, but all the rocks are still here. That would be a good bird's nest for a campfire, Charlotte. Super good finding. We mix our cattail in with that, we'll have a super fire. He was pretty big, wasn't he?
Look.
I think that was just a crow. Look, there's another one up in the tree up there.
He has a nest.
Yeah, that one's smaller. It's a different bird. A golf ball. That's a funny looking rock.
No, it's a golf ball.
Here's a golf ball. The ant looks like it's eating that worm, doesn't it?
Allie, it's the ant. And there's some more. Some more. Some more.
Super job, thank you. We need to go over the bridge without losing the wagon. Stop, 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 stop. I'm going to take it down the hill. It's way too heavy. Go. There's a big fence up at the top of that hill, though. Yeah, look at that little spot right over there. That's a good picnic spot.
Yeah, there's 3 logs up there.
Look at that. Do we have a picnic right here? All right. All right, let's do it. There's a creek right over here.
It looks like a teepee.
It does look like a teepee. It's the start of a teepee.
Actually, it should make it dance.
Yeah.
Make it dance.
All right, keep putting more sticks on there without hitting each other. Ugh. Lovely little spot right in the heart of the city.
Mommy,
Mm-hmm.
this looks a good hiking stick.
That is a good hiking stick.
Fire. Well, it's good for the teepee. We're making a cabin.
You gonna make a teepee?
Teepee.
Cool. Little campsite for the day. Backpack Girl's working on fixing up that teepee there. I'm gonna make us some lunch. Charlotte's off exploring. And I am starving. It's lunchtime. Backpack Girl's gonna start off with a Baby Bell.
Yeah.
Yeah, cheese. We got a water bottle. Some honey mustard. We got a nice fresh tomato. We're not cooking today because it's hot. Roasted smoked turkey breast.
Yeah, because
Smoked ham. Some sliced cheese. Some more Baby Bells. A couple different kinds of wraps. And we got a little leftover female bacon. Does that sound like it's going to make pretty good sandwiches? Mm-hmm. Yeah? Having a super day? Excellent. Orange? Show me.
Yeah. It's just tiny and it's wet out.
Huh.
It's right on that tree branch.
Cool.
You have to come.
Yeah, I'll come and see it. Just let me finish making wraps and then we'll go back and look at it, okay?
Hey, Mommy.
Mm-hmm.
I love you.
I love you too. You having fun?
Yeah. Hey. you can move it over here. Why are you doing that?
Alright, some tomato.
Yeah, check.
You want ham or turkey? What do you want?
Charlotte, can you go around because I'm going to be... Mommy, my pants are kind of wet.
Kids. Lunchtime for Mama. I got an ancient grains wrap, processed cheese slice. I'm going to put a little bit of tomato on here. Piece of ham.
She likes ham.
Whole bunch of turkey.
Turkey.
Turkey's my favorite.
What favorite?
Yep, it's my favorite. You liking your ham? Yeah? Good.
It's delicious.
Alright, and then
I'm going to take
honey mustard. There we go. That's my lunch. I think maybe we'll save some pea bacon for snack time later. Yummy! Yummy? Yummy? That's it. Take turns. Good teamwork.
Mom, I think Sean needs a little bit of color.
Make a little bit.
Ew, I ate the leaves.
Ah, spit it out. Alright. Are they pretty good?
Is it good?
Cheers.
Sorry, I can't.
That's okay. Okay, drink. What are you doing? How are we going to drink it holding it like that? Are you done?
Yes.
Okay.
But I can't hold a knife on my glass.
Silly goose.
Good. My see that? Choose trees? You can definitely hang a hammock.
Yeah, there's lots of good spots for hanging a hammock around here.
You can see something around green light. It's not like...
Somebody riding a bike up there. What kind of flower, isn't it? Hey? What do you think? Pretty neat.
Snail shells.
Snail shells. Super finding.
Do you know they were?
Where were they? Oh, I bet you if you look, you'll find some more. Is it stuck? How are you going to get it around that tree? Huh? Good teamwork.
Oh no, it's stuck. Now we have to get it. One, two, three, go! Mommy, could you pull it?
Yeah, I'll pull it. Is Dairy Queen a good place to turn around at? Yeah? It's a super hot day today, isn't it? Feels like summer, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Perfect day for ice cream.
Maybe.
And slushies. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. have a super fun day?
Yeah.
Yeah, what do you say?
Thank you.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Have a great day. Bye. I think there's a railway pieces down under here from the old railway. Well, we could probably dig it up. It'll take a little while. Do you want to try?
Yeah.
Okay, wiggly. Just don't cut your hand on it. It's down there pretty good, isn't it?
We should get it. Now with this rock.
Sure. This trail used to have a railroad track on it. Yes, there's all kinds of little things. If you keep your eyes peeled, you can see pieces of the old railway on here.
Ow. That's hard.
Let me try to give it a wiggle. I think we need to... The bottom part that's down under the ground is probably very fat. Maybe we'll bring a little shovel next time? Or maybe we can find a rock to use for digging. Keep digging. I think that's a plate from an old railway track. They used to hold the railway ties in. I bet it's going to take us a while to dig it out, so we keep trying. It's a railway plate. Okay, and an old railway tie. So this goes on top of the wooden parts, or on the bottom part of the wooden parts, and then this boom, 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 boom into the ground. Hey, it's just like we see on the railroads. Isn't that cool?
I got it.
Yeah.
I can see that.
My little eye, the letter P on the ground. Abby is stepping on it. Come here. Look at that. Some markings in a rock and it looks like a letter P.
It's not.
It's not, but it looks pretty cool, doesn't it?
We should dig it up. Good thing I got it.
What does it look like?
Okay.
It looks like from the train track, doesn't it?
Look.
Yeah, from the old railway that used to be here.
Killed it.
Who do you suppose lives down there?
I don't.
You think anybody lives in there?
I'll go for a walk down there.
What if there's a little animal in there and it clunks him on the head? Hmm? What if Peter Rabbit's friends are down there and you just clunked them on the heads?
I think it's just a hole. I mean, no lives down there, I think so.
I hope not. They're either going to be stuck in there or they're going to be stuck out of there.
What's stuck out of there?
Well, what if they're out looking for some food to eat and then they come home and they can't get in because their home is full of rocks?
Huh.
Oh.
Fish have it.
Okay. Break time. We've been hiking and playing for 6 hours. Whew, good work. It's hot today, isn't it? Hey, it feels like summer today, doesn't it? The high was supposed to be 22 degrees Celsius. I don't know what it was. It feels like about 30, but it probably wasn't. But oh, there's a nice breeze blowing now. It's great, isn't it? Yeah, we're almost home. A little bit of water for Mama. You guys have had your water. Let's go hit the trail, okay? Are you pulling? Yeah, okay.
Not all the way home.
Okay, not all the way home. Yeah. 22 miles? I don't think we went 22 miles today. We can look at a map when we get home and we'll find out exactly how far we went. We went a few miles anyways.
Yeah, the glass rock.
Glass rock? Cool, that's called quartz. Good finding, yep. This is called quartz, and if we can find big enough pieces of this, we can use it with our sparker and make some fire. Okay, so Charlotte, we want to find this kind of rock just a little bit bigger, okay? To the bearded hiker, Jaxx Drinkwater, hooked me up with some stickers. The girls got most of them, but I managed to salvage one and got it slapped on my water bottle here, and I just love it. Jaxx, thanks, man. You're home. Awesome. 6 hours, 22 degrees C. It's only the end of April, but I'm going to call this our first summer hike done. I hope you're having a great day. Thanks for watching.